This video is to show you the Excel keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste special data in Excel. So if you want to copy a cell or range of cells, you can just select the cells that you want to copy and just select Control C, and that will copy the cells. To bring up the paste special dialog box, just select where you want to paste the data and then select Alt ES. You can also select Control Alt V, but I prefer using Alt ES. And then it'll bring up the paste special dialog box. And as you can see, each of the different options here have a key that is highlighted. So that is the keyboard shortcut. So if you wanted to do paste special all, it'll be Alt ES A, and then you just hit enter and it'll copy everything that you've copied. So the various options are outlined here, and let's work through them one by one. So for example, if you want to copy all, so we've done Alt ES A, and then just select enter, and it'll copy everything, paste everything that you've copied. So in this case, we're going to select enter, and as you can see, it'll copy everything, paste everything that you've copied. So the next one we can do is copy only the formulas. So let's say here we've got a formula in this cell, and if we only want to paste the formulas, we would select Alt ES F for formulas, and all it will do is paste those formulas. So if we had some numbers in here, it would then, it total those numbers up because it's copied that formula across. So the next one is copying just the values. So again, if we select a range of cells, hit Control C, hit Alt ES, and then just hit V for values. So we'll only copy the values across. So as you can see, no formatting is being copied, no formulas are being copied across, just the values. The next one is only the formatting. So another really useful one. So again, we've got the range of cells highlighted. We can select Alt ES and just T for formats and then enter. And as you can see, it'll only paste the formatting, so all the borders and all the colors. The next one will copy only the comments and notes. So you'll see that we've got a comment in here saying that we did less shifts than normal. So again, if we select where we want to paste this, select Alt ES, C for comments and notes, and hit enter. And all that'll copy across is the comments and notes from that area. The next one is data validation. So we've got some data validation here in this column for the budget amounts that it needs to be greater or equal to 0. So if we select an area, Control C again, Alt ES again to bring up the paste special dialog box, and then just do N for validation and enter. And as you can see, it'll copy across just the data validations. The next one is all cell contents and formatting. So again, we can select an area, Control C, and this one is H, and then enter, and it'll copy all the cell contents and formatting. So the next one is copying everything apart from the borders. So again, we've got our area highlighted, so then we'll select Alt ES, and then X for all except for borders. So it's going to paste everything except for the borders. So as you can see, it's pasted everything across, formatting, number formatting, formulas, etc., but not the borders. The next one is just copying the column width. So in this case, the column width of column L is 24, column O it's 13. So again, we can just copy that column width across. So in this case, it's Alt ES W, and then enter. And as you can see, column O is now same column width. The next one will paste only the formulas and number format. So again, let's have a look here. We've got our formula in here. And if we do Alt ES R and enter, it's copied the formula and also the number format in that one. And the last one for this video is only values and number formats. So again, if we copy a range of cells, Alt ES, and in this case U, and enter, it'll only copy the values and the number formats. So that was some great keyboard shortcuts to use copy and paste special. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.